Hello Joe, this video especially for you because as you told me that I should show something street food as well, but now because of the lockdown all the food carts are closed, so I thought I will make some dish which is street food. So it's anda bhurji. Anda bhurji is like anda is egg and bhurji kind of scrambled egg but with Indian masala. So yeah, so here I have taken 2 eggs for this, 1 onion, then I have these things for ginger, garlic and chili paste. So I have taken some garlic, then we can see a ginger and a chili here. So again for ginger, garlic, chili paste I would like to tell that 3 to 4 portion of garlic, ginger and chili. It all depends how spicy the chili is. So here the chili is not much spicy, so I have taken 2 quite big chilies, but they are not much spicy. Otherwise I would have taken just 1 chili if it would have been spicy. Then I have this garam masala powder, and then turmeric and 1 tomato. And of course the one more ingredient is oil and the salt. I have also taken say half spoon or 3/4 spoon of red chili powder. I will make the ginger garlic chili paste first. I will add a pinch of salt so it will help me to get it grind nicely. So my ginger, garlic and chili paste is ready. So I'm going to chop the onion now. So I have peeled this 1 onion. So I finally chopped this onion. If you see on the street, those guys while chopping the onion, you will see they are very fast, like a machine they cut it, and they cut it very more fine than this. But it's okay, I can chop only as like this. So let's use this. So I've taken this shallow pan to make anda bhurji, or say scrambled egg with Indian masala. I have kept a medium flame. So let's wait till the pan gets hot, and after that I will pour some oil. So the pan is enough hot. I will put some oil. This is again a coconut oil. You can use any oil you like, maybe olive oil. You can use groundnut oil or mustard oil. But because I like coconut oil, so I am using coconut oil. I have used approximately 60-70 milliliter of oil. Let's wait till the oil get hot. So oil is enough hot now. I can see the fumes, so I will fry this onion now. We have to fry till it get kind of transparent or a little bit a yellowish color. See, the onion has changed the color, it has become kind of transparent. Now I will add some turmeric in this. This is quite simple dish. Mostly it is used as a breakfast with bread. So this preparation of anda bhurji is always eaten with the bread, toasted bread. I will wait till it get little bit browner. You can see it has changed the color more. It's turning kind of little bit browner. So I will add ginger garlic chili paste in this. Till this ginger garlic chili paste get a little bit fry or a little bit cooked, I will chop some tomato. It's time to add tomatoes. To get this tomatoes a little bit cooked, so I will put this lid on this. After say 3 minutes, we can remove. And I will add garam masala powder. Some red chili powder. We'll again put the lid so that tomato should get cooked. Meanwhile, I will break this egg and I will scramble it. So these are our 2 beaten up eggs. I can see the tomatoes are cooked. Also it is releasing oil. Now it has released oil. So let's add this beaten egg. I will increase the flame a little bit. At this stage we have to add salt. Now moving the spoon inside, we have to break this and make it very fine. So this anda bhurji is almost ready now. We can eat this with bread or chapati. Here we eat with the chapati because we have chapatis. But there in UK you can eat with the bread, toasted bread. It's good. Also you can take some tomato sauce. Thank you. So this is with the chapati, as I said.